Also with that fire, boy.
I just fuck you, bitch. Got some beers. Fucking mama on my grip, she's on my dick. Got so much ice on my wrist. Got it with a chopper, let her eat. Got these bands on my pocket. She goes to the moon with my rocket. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. I got all these diamonds on my bucket. You wanna suck it, I want this nugget. Give me number 5 with some bullet. I got my glory loaded. This nigga get roasted. No, I'm rich, I fuck his bitch.
Yeah, it's your boy, Lil Nugget coming at you with another track. All these hoes trying to suck my dick. Yeah, jokes on them. I don't have a dick. You sucking hard on my dick. I'm more struck, so much money like I'm Donald Trump. Get more pussy than Donald Duck. Your ass redder than a fire truck. We're trying to be competitive, but the song is really repetitive. See me every day but saying nothing. I dare you, you just be bluffing. Fuck it, sucking, have a thunderstruck. That's my routine every day with my crew, so fuck you.
Also with that fire, boy.
Suicide on the west side. Pressure side is homicide. Abide on the east side. Nigga, glorified worldwide. Set aside the shit. Come with me. Be identified. Verified. By your bitch certified. She's on my dick. Amplified. Inside. Say no to the gay pride. Stay aside. Don't cry. I don't wanna be alive, I wanna die. Stay abide, put the shit right. Yeah, nigga, suck a dick. What up? Bitch!